नमस्कार। दीक्षा ऐप पर अवेलेबल निष्ठा कोर्स 9 दैट इज वोकेशनल एजुकेशन की आंसर की हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। हियर इज द आंसर फॉर दिस कोर्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, it is given that vocational will help student to understand that people do for living and skills needed for various occupations। तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, एक्सप्लोरेशन। सेकेंड नंबर क्वेश्चन इज गिवन दैट बाज enacted with the objective of regulating the program of training of apprentices in the industry। That is, answer of this question is the Apprentice Act 1961। Next question is given here. The apprenticeship training under the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme, that is NATS, is a year program equipping technically, that is vocationally qualified, and the answer of this question is 1. After that, the next question here is given that National Policy on Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015 focus on approach toward quality skilling। The answer of this question is outcome based, option number A। And the next question, this is given that Regional Board of Apprenticeship Training BOATR at, answer of this question is Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Kanpur। After that, next question is given here. A separate Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was created in year 2014। So this is the answer of this question। And the next question, at the end of grade X and 12, 10th and 12th, that is external assessment and evaluation of skill component of vocational student is to be taken up by the, answer is Sector Skill Council। So the option number C is correct। Now next question here is given that under the Samagra Shiksha Work Education, that is WE, which was earlier known as work experience or socially useful productive work, that is SUPW, will be offered from, this is the grade 1 to 5। Answer of this question, grade 1 to 5। NOS NOS stand for National Occupation। Answer of this question, that is standards। And now next question will be formulated by the General Education Council GEC and it shall be in signed with the NSQF। Answer of this question, that is National Higher Education Qualification Framework, that is NHEQF। And now next question, in India the National Skill Qualification Framework, that is NSQF, has levels 10। So answer of this question is option C, that is 10। And now next question, competency is an and measurable knowledge and skill। So the answer of this question is observable observable observable, observable. After that, next question, under the Samagra Shiksha pre-vocational education PVE will be introduced from grade 6 to 8. So this is the answer of this question. Now NSDC stand for, so answer of this question, that is National Skill Development Corporation. And after that, next question, it is given that inquiry based, project based and collaborative learning are approaches. So the answer of this question is pedagogical. After that, next question, OJT stand for on the job. So this is training. Now next question is given for, it is the national policy of education promulgated that the introduction of systematic, well planned and rigorously implemented programs of. So the answer of this question is 1986. After that, next question, a vocational teacher training should process the knowledge and skill of teaching, and what is to be taught to the learners. So the answer of this question is practicing. And now next question, challenges that the VET faces: negative perception and image of VET is society, and so on. So the answer of this question is, that is first, second, third and fourth. Now next question, according to the recommendation of the Secondary Education Commission 1952-53, the aim of vocationalization of education is. So the answer of this question is to improve the vocational efficiency of the students. Now next question, A, centered approach to pedagogy is vital for accomplishing the goals of vocational education through learning by doing. So the answer of this question is learner. And now next question is given here, work based learning allows student to link knowledge, skill and understanding with requirements. So the answer of this question is workplace. And the next question, the National Vocational Education Qualifications Framework NBEQF was launched by the Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD, now known as. So the year is 2012. After that, the next question, vocational pedagogy is science, art and of teaching and learning. This is craft. So the answer of this question, craft. Now according to National Education Policy 2020, for the integration of vocational education will be formed to review the state of. So the answer of this question is committee. Now here is the another question, the employability skill modules offered as a part of the vocational curriculum for grades 9th to 12 include communication skill, self-management skills. So the answer of this question is entrepreneurship skill. After that, the next question, according to the National Education Policy 2020, the focus areas for vocational education will be chosen based on. So the answer of this question, option number 4, is skill gap analysis and mapping of local opportunities. And now here's the next question, according to National Education Policy 2020, by the year 2025, at least of learners shall have vocational exposure through school and higher. So the answer of this question is 50%. After that, here is the next question. A centrally sponsored scheme of vocationalization of secondary education was launched in 1988. So this is the answer. Now next one, the framework for recognition, a period learning for recognizing the learning experience acquired outside a formal setting and providing a government certificate. So the answer of this question is option 2, that's the National Skill Qualification Framework, that is NSQF. And then now next one question of this series, the vocational education and training in India is being made aspirational by mobilizing greater participation of youth and reducing the between the and so on. So the question is mismatch. Answer of this question is mismatch. And now another question is given that vocational pedagogy is science, art and of the teaching and learning. So this is the craft, means this is the repeating question. After that, next one question, which model according to NEP 2020 will be used to set up the skill lab in the schools in order to allow other schools to use the facilities? So answer of this question, hub and spoke. And now next question, NQR stand for, so option number C is correct, National Qualification Register. And then now next question, in vocationalization of education for vocation with help student participate in activities that integrate academic skill with vocational skill. So the answer of this question is preparation. And now another question, NATS stand for, so the National Apprentices Training Scheme. So option number 1 is correct. Now next one, according to National Education Policy 2020, internship opportunities to learn about vocational subject may be made available to students throughout grades. So the option is 6 to 12. And now next question, a vocational teacher training should possess the knowledge and skill of teaching and what is to be taught to the learners. So the answer is practicing. And now next question, vocational education and training in India is being made aspiration by mobilism greater participation of youth and reducing the between the demand and supply. So the answer is mismatch. This is the repeating of the question. Now next question, a National Vocational Education Qualification Framework NBEQF was launched by the Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD. How know a Ministry of Education in? So this is the repeating question, answer is 2012. And now next question, vocational will help student to learn about various occupation and career option in the world of work. So the answer is awareness. And now next question, under the Samagra Shiksha pre-vocational education PVE will be introduced from grade 6 to 8. So this is the repeating question and the answer is option B. Now next question, to facilitate mobility across general education and vocational education has been recommended by the National Education Policy 2020. So the answer is credit based framework. After that, here is the next question, inquiry based, project based and collaborative learning are approaches. So answer is pedagogical. and this is the repeating question. Now next one question, the apprenticeship training under the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme NATS is a year program equipping technically vocationally qualified. So this is once again repeating question, answer is 1. And now next one is centrally sponsored scheme of vocationalization of secondary education was launched in 1988. So again this is a repeating question. Now next one, the employability skill modules offered as a part of the vocational curriculum from grade 9 to 12 include communication skills, self-management skills, and information, that is the entrepreneurship skill. Answer of this question. Now next one, the National Education Policy 2020 highlighting restructuring of the pedagogy with focus on learning to learn and learning by to bring about a radical departure. So the answer is doing. Now next question, the framework for recognition of prior learning or for recognizing the learning experience acquired outside a formal setting and providing a government certificate for an. So the answer of this question, National Skill Qualification Framework, that is NSQF. And this one is the again repeating question, challenges that the VET FAT. So first one is negative perceptions and image of VET in society. So the answer is first, second, third, and fourth. And now next one, according to the National Education Policy 2020, the focus areas of vocational education will be chosen based on. So the answer is skill gap analysis and mapping of local opportunities. So dear, thank you.